सबको विनती करता हूँ कि 3 गेस्ट जो यहाँ आए हैं उनको स्टेज पर
engineer and military engineering services, that is the area with which he is connected. Again, the capital of look back again and again, new and the famous personalities of Ahmedabad, because I think they were covered very nicely by media, also all print. Numerical touch, statistics. The guest who are on dais, Rakesh Bothra.
On behalf of both the classes and my team, I welcome today's guest of honor, Sri Rajkumarji Beniwal, Sri Ravi Gopalan sir, Sri Paritoshji Banik, Sri Nikhil Srivastav, and I welcome also all the parents of our students and all the students who qualified in IIT JEE this year. And I also welcome the guests from different parts of the city. And our chief guest for today's program is Jayanti Ravi Madam. She is going to join within a short time. She is on the way. She is coming within 15 minutes. Here today I would like to focus on some of the highlights of year 2013 that we have produced result in this year 2013 in JEE Main and JEE Advanced. This time HRD Ministry made lot of changes in pattern of getting admission to engineering colleges across India. This move was very challenging for coaching industry and students. They introduced weightage of board percentage along with making IIT admission in 2 phases, that is JEE Main and JEE Advanced. The time was very difficult for us. Parents and students were highly confused, and for every policy point we people of coaching industry become responsible to resolve all their queries related to admission test. We took very high pen that along with teaching it also become our responsibility to become answerable for all the doubts in regard of admission test. We are highly thankful to all our students and parents as they keep faith in us and in regard of policy change and continued with us. We worked accordingly and started putting rigorousness of study on students. We took lot of steps to manage it. Firstly, through early finishing of syllabus so that all students get enough time for their board preparation. We also started a momentum test series for students for their continuity and to develop a rapidness of attending questions paper. We worked very hard to make their test paper of different patterns containing new varieties of problems so that they build a approach in them from previous years. But it is that rigorousness of study and hard effort of our students which bring us a result which I have never seen in history of Gujarat. From our institute itself, 81 selections out of 300 students that we have taught during the year. With very good All India ranking, this result is almost 28%, while actual result at IIT is 1%. Our students managed to out of 12 lakh aspirants. Soham Ganatra, who secured 15th rank at All India level and stood first in entire Gujarat and Maharashtra. We are very proud of him. Congratulations to him and his parents. He is with us from last 4 years. We are very thankful to his parents in believing and keeping faith in us. This time for appearing on IIT Advanced Test, students were to appear for JEE Main, which now has become a compulsion for all students to get admission in any engineering college across the country. In this JEE Main exam, our student Kunal Agarwal stood at 3rd rank at All India level through securing 341 marks out of 360. All 12 lakh students appear at All India level. He is also with us from last 4 years. He grabbed 3rd position out of all 12 lakh students appeared across the country. He secured 20th rank at All India level in IIT admission test. He qualified for Physics Olympiad at national level. There were out of 41 students who selected at national level for Physics Olympiad to represent India at international level. One of our students, Vasis Dudia, who secured 82 rank at all India level in JEE Advanced. He became an example for all Gujarati medium students as they find it difficult to prepare for national level entrance due to language barrier. Vasis managed it properly through securing 82 rank at all India level and become a role and inspirational model for all Gujarati medium students. 20th rank, 82 rank at all India level. After being in city like Ahmedabad, where there are very few students who prepare for IIT, this is even very difficult to see in Institute of Kota or Delhi, where out of 20-30,000 students, they manage to have this kind of result. Bothra classes has done it out of 300 students. We are very proud of it. Ultimately, it is sincere effort of all our students and dedicated work team of Bothra classes. Congratulations to all faculty members for their success in effort they made for students. Student at IIT JEE. I also welcome all previous year students for participating in this program and request them to have a word with their juniors and to guide them in proper way for their next journey after qualifying JEE entrance. Once again, I congratulate all our successful students and wish them all the best for their future academic and career. I also request all students to be always in touch and keep updating us about their whereabouts and progress. I would be very happy to see you all in future as a good citizens of this country and as a part of our nation building.